Welcome to my channel Nightingale View. This video is about the introduction of why, what and who. Why this channel is named Nightingale View? Because Miss Florence Nightingale is a pioneer of nursing profession and her main focus is to help and support the patient community as well as to uplift the nursing profession. This channel is also aims the same. And who are all will be benefited here? People with health-seeking behavior, patients, nurses, as well as the caregivers can be benefited out of this channel. Then, what are all the video will be uploaded? For an example, either the nurse, caregiver or the patient wants to know how to check a blood sugar using a glucometer. Here, my video will explain you step by step following the scientific principles of how to check the blood sugar using a glucometer. So thereby this channel will be utilized by all the patients, caregivers as well as the nurses to follow the steps of procedures in a nursing care. Do like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.